all the people that we slept with before we were married and really stir shit up? What are you talking about? The therapist is trying to clean a problem in my marriage that doesn't exist. Maybe he's not creating them, maybe he's just noticing. You know what?
Don't say.
These are the best in the world at what they do.
Me too.
Right? Jeff Gordon told you the oil was low.
I like this movie too.
From the bucket, feeds it in.
Cool.
The therapist is creepy. Really?
That's my favorite actor.
I like ours. Yeah, he said that Dave and I take each other
Yep,
for
that's
granted.
right there.
That, our relationship
You like her
has
too?
become more like a job.
Me too.
For example, he says
How about
that
the other girl?
Dave is deprioritizing me, that
What?
he doesn't pay attention to what I actually want. Yeah, but honey, that's just Dave being Dave, you know?
She's not a whore. She's a very nice
So then
person.
what if Dave,
Not a whore.
is sort of like Dave
Not a whore.
Please continue to look
This
at
guy's
the
funny
fish.
here.
Enjoy them as they come at you. I get it, dude. It's advanced snorkeling. Hey, I'm trying to do this exercise. During downtime, okay? This might be what the therapist is referring to. You're missing out on life. It's happening right now, out here, all around us, alright? And you should be complaining about your problems to enjoy all these
What? You saw the shark?
Marcel?
Okay,
Yes? Marcel, we have a real problem here. It is not a problem. It is a circle of life. The circle of life is circling our lives right now.